Hello, flight simmers. Today we're going to do 5 easy steps to show you how to get a great high score on the aircraft carrier landing challenge. Step number 1, right at the beginning, slow down your speed just a slight bit and then try to maintain 118 to 122 knots. Maintain that speed throughout. Your attitude is going to follow and it's going to work out good. So keep your line up pretty good. But your step number 1 is to control that speed between about 118 and 122 knots and fine tune it as you go. Step number 2, your angle of attack indicator showed here. You want to keep that as circle and don't pull back on the stick or push forward on the stick. It should maintain that on its own if you followed step number 1 and kept yours at the optimal speed. The angle of attack is your aircraft's attitude relative to the angle between 7 and 10 degrees nose up for this landing challenge purposes. Step number 3, the angle of the runway on the ship, 14 degrees left of the ship's heading. So always approach the back of the ship just a little bit to the right. Step number 4, glide slope meter at about a mile out will pop up. Try to keep the yellow square between the two green bars. Mine's showing just a little tiny bit low, so I need to add a little bit more speed. And the final step, number 5, catching the third wire while adding full power. There's 4 wires across the deck. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You want to catch the third one for the highest score. Hey, that rhymes. Practice, practice, practice. Guys, this took me a lot of tries to get a good score. All I can say is I sure hope this helped you out. If it did, give me a like. And if you see me on Xbox Live, shoot me a friend request. Hope you guys enjoyed and happy flying. Until next time.